Hello there! In this video, we will demonstrate how to install, set up, and use the QR module in Zoho CRM. Generate QR invoices direct from your loved CRM. Let us get started. First, log in to your dashboard. Then click on the Marketplace tab. To search for the application, type in QR invoice into the search box. The results will show the Swiss QR invoice, as shown here. Click the yellow button to install. Head back to the dashboard, click on the three dots here, and select Settings Swiss QR Invoice. Now enter the client ID and client secret from the dashboard of qrmodule.ch. To get the key, simply scroll down and click on Get Your Credentials. Now sign up for an account on qrmodule.ch. Choose the plan with enough payment parts and complete the other sign-up details as required to sign up. After subscribing to QR Module, you can then log into the dashboard. By the way, in QR Module, you can also design an invoice template to fit your design needs. To get the API keys, click on API Users, and then Create New API. Make sure you have copied your key because it will only be displayed once. Otherwise, you will need to generate a new key. Now go to the settings again and fill in the client ID and client secret details. You can also select other add-on options from the letter dispatch section, such as My Climate Compensation and sending additional invoices via the postal services. If you send our invoices via our letter shop, define which franking you prefer, print in color or not. When sending invoices by postal mail, the system will generate additional costs, which you can check on qrmodule.ch. You can also adjust the frequency of sending out invoices. After this initial setup, save the changes. Let us now create an invoice. Go to the Invoice tab. Click Create Invoice using the blue button in the top right corner. Now complete the invoice with all of the necessary information. Then add the text that you will send in the email to the client together with the invoice. Check the QR letter dispatch box if you would like to send the invoice by postal mail. In the Invoiced Items section, you can now add the products you have sold. Then click the Save or Save and New button. Now refresh the page using Ctrl and R on the keyboard. Then click on Attachments on the left side. You can now download the Invoice Pdf to see all of the details. Open the PDF and you will find the QR payment part at the bottom of the invoice, together with all of the details. It is that simple. Thank you for watching this video on how to get started using QR Module.